People who ordered a 2024 WRX TR have now received their cars after a long wait, including my own. Well, sort of, and I'll get into that. Anyways, in this video, we'll find out if the WRX TR is even worth it if you're considering buying a new WRX. But before we get into it, I'm Sep, a car enthusiast making videos for other enthusiasts like yourselves, so feel free to subscribe to get your weekly dose of YouTube car content. I picked up my 2024 WRX RS, which is the Canadian spec of the TR, this past April, and I did do some comparisons to this trim over all the other trim levels before I decided to buy it. Also, I'll just call it a TR in this video just for simplicity. The first comparison was availability. For me, I got lucky. I didn't actually order my WRX. I took someone else's order who couldn't follow through with the purchase, and the person who ordered my car placed it all the way back in December. It was delivered to the dealership the first week of April, so it took around 5 months for the car to come in. When I called other Subaru dealerships back in March 2024, they told me September or October would be the earliest they would expect a factory ordered WRX TR to come in. When I inquired about the lower trim WRXs, they told me around 3 months, and actually a couple of them had some already on their lot, so the TR definitely had less availability. Not sure if it has really changed now, but for those who can't really wait that long for a car, then this is something you should consider. Let's get into how much I paid. I bought the car at MSRP for $45,131 Canadian. A base 2024 is $36,315. So the price difference between a base WRX and my car is $8,816. So not a small change. Now let's say you bought the base and wanted to upgrade it to closely match the TR. The first thing to upgrade are the brakes to the bigger Brembos. I found a kit from Fast WRX selling for $5,400 USD, which converted to Canada bucks is $7,400. So with just the brakes, we're almost at that price difference between a base and the TR trim. I know you can buy a great set of TDMI brakes from Felix Performance for a fraction of the price, but I'm just comparing OEM versus OEM just to see if there are any cost savings in getting the TR. Next would be the Recaro seats. On Subaru Parts OEM Online, one Recaro seat with all 8 components comes out to a whopping $3,230.46 USD. Now for 2 seats, it totals to $6,460.92. Converted to Canadian is $8,852.72, which to me is absolutely nuts. Just to reiterate, in Canada, to upgrade from a base to a TR or RS trim is $8,816. Buying just the Recaros and Brembos to upgrade a base is $16,252. It's mind-boggling how expensive those parts are, so clearly, if you really want the Brembos and seats, it makes more sense to just get the higher trim level. Now you can reduce this expense by selling the stock base seats and stock brakes, but I don't think it will be enough to make up for that huge cost difference. The other cost factor I haven't brought up yet is the warranty. The Brembos and seats on the TR all come with factory warranty, so if any non-wear and tear issues come up, they would be fixed or replaced by Subaru. Installing these parts onto a base would not have warranty, so any faulty components would not be Subaru's responsibility. The last thing to consider is the time and labor to install these parts. If you got a shop to do it, you will definitely add on a large cost to the already wallet shredding amount. You can certainly do it yourself, but you've got to put in your own time, have the right tools, and be ready to troubleshoot if any issues are encountered during the installation. I understand that not everyone needs the Recaros or Brembos because for regular daily driving, you really don't. They are nice to haves, and truthfully, I wanted a new Gen STI. We didn't get one, so the TR or RS trim, or I guess now the TS trim, was the next best thing to a new STI, and I already talked about why I decided not to get a used STI, so check out that video if you want to know more. Anyways, the TR had all the components I personally wanted, and as we just saw, it's not really worth just upgrading a base with the same OEM parts to match the TR. I would just use non-OEM parts or get the TR instead, or just get a previous gen STI. On that note, if you ended up ordering a TR or RS or now TS, let me know why in the comments, and if not, let me know why as well. Anyways friends, that's it for this video. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed. I'll catch you all in the next one. Take care.